Hello, here's a little demo on me fishing with a helium balloon at South End Seafront.
We need to look at the balloon here then. I'm going to release the bail and out you go. As you can see, I need a bit more weight.
First time I did this, I didn't have enough weight on the balloon and it kept on flying into the air, so I had to reel it in and put extra weight on.
Action!
Just attached me line
Goes on the three-way
to
swivel.
a three-way swivel with a snap connector.
On a size 2 circle hook. I'm going to use some mackerel bait. Nice couple of bits on there. Like so, and then we're ready to let go. So we drop that in the sand.
Here's the helium balloon. It looks a lot smaller than it really is. I don't know how many litres of helium it took, but she charged me £2.50 in the shop. Launching the balloon, all I do is release the bail arm and let the line out when I think the balloon's out far enough.
How many did you get yesterday? 10.
Yeah, they weren't big enough today, you had to throw them back.
I got 10 and a nice suntan. That's all I call.